There's so many reasons why it's really important to have an in-home consultation before you decide to do any home improvement project. And this is a great example of why that consultation was so important. This family wanted to do something to change out these French doors, and they really weren't sure exactly what to do. And the concerns that we had when we met were, with the kids and with the doors, the way they open, it could be dangerous for the small children. And the homeowners were really glad we had that talk, because they decided to ultimately go from changing out the double French doors to putting in sliding glass doors, which will still give them the look they wanted, but it'll give them the safety and security of knowing that if the kids are running into the backyard, that they're not going to have to worry and cringe like I always used to do with my French doors and my small children, that wind would catch the door and somebody trailing behind's hand would get caught in the door. Another benefit to the in-home consultation was what to do with the geometric windows above. Right now, the windows on top of the doors are actually two windows put together by screws. We looked at a few different manufacturers, and we ultimately decided on one that we could do one piece, so they won't have that divided bar in between the two windows. It'll be one piece, just one large geometric window. So by looking at a few different products, we were ultimately able to decide on the perfect one for this family. Another beautiful rainy day in South Florida, but you would never know it from being inside, because these doors really cut down a lot of the sound. It's perfectly quiet in here. Not only did these doors really transform this living room area, because we went from the French doors to the sliding glass doors, which was a big decision for the homeowner. Another great decision this family made was how they designed the geometric windows. They went with clear glass instead of the divided light which was in there before. And with the clear glass, it really looks like it brings the outside into the home, and it changed and transformed this entire space. So I know they love that decision, because it turned out great. So we gave them the hurricane protection they were looking for. It's really going to be energy efficient, and it's going to reduce a lot of the heat, making the space a lot more comfortable, and it cuts down a lot of the sound. The installation went great. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.